Salon over here has got good branding, good content. They're clear in regards to who they are, what they do, where they're located, and how they can help. But we're going to show you where they went wrong, what they don't have set up, and how they're leaking leads every single day and missing out on opportunities for bookings, repeat customers, and much more. Making this video to be able to paint them out to be the bad guy. I know they're doing fantastic, and most business owners are making the same mistakes as these guys. And it's not because they're not smart, it's not because they're not good at their job, it's simply because they don't know what's currently available with AI and automation. So let's look at their social media. So over here we can see that their bio is set up properly, nice and strong, tells you who they are, what they do, where they're located, how you can contact them. They've got good content on their social media, reels, posts, photos of staff, happy customers. But when I go to send them a message, as you can see, it's been 30 seconds and I haven't had a response yet. Why? Because they're busy on the job site working. They're busy in the salon. They don't have anybody sitting by the phone responding to inquiries fast. It's not possible for humans to be able to respond within 30 seconds each and every time. Now imagine they had a system in place that could respond to all inquiries on all platforms in under 30 seconds. They wouldn't be leaking the leads anymore. They wouldn't be missing out on opportunities. Imagine they had a system in place that could answer the phone when they're busy. Missed calls equals missed opportunities, missed revenue. And a customer isn't just worth that one-hit wonder amount to us. A customer is not worth $80 or $250 or $500. How we're going to think of a customer is, okay, if that customer comes back again and again and we're able to keep them for 2 to 3 years, how much is that customer worth to us now? And if that customer was able to refer us to a couple of friends during the course of time that they stay with us, how much is that customer worth now? And if that customer was able to leave a Google review for us as well, a positive one, that helps us become more visible online. That helps us attract more customers, doesn't it? So there's multiple things that we should be aware of when we're looking at a lead. A lead is not just one customer one time. Now, by the time this business comes to respond to me, I'm not sure when it's going to be, in a couple of hours, in the afternoon, tomorrow. I may have lost interest. I may have jumped back on Google, found a competitor, found somebody else that can color my hair, they can style my hair, they can install hair extensions, and I simply won't be interested anymore. So we want to be fast to be able to respond to all leads. Now, this salon just missed my call. They're busy. This happens to a lot of trade businesses, a lot of salons, a lot of hospitality businesses especially. They missed my call, but if they had a voice agent that was programmed to be able to answer the call, they'd have no missed calls. Missed calls equals missed revenue. Now I'm going to jump back on Google, go elsewhere to get my cut and blow dry, to get my color potentially. I'm not usually going to call back twice. I'm not going to sit around waiting. And by the time this business or any business responds back to me, it could be end of the day, it could be an hour, it could be never. And another statistic is that most business owners don't even respond back to missed calls simply because they're busy or they forget. So the solution here would be to have the VoiceBot 24 system set up for their business, programmed to be able to answer the call, ask for the name, the inquiry, the phone number, to have a dedicated calendar set up for the voice agent to be able to potentially recognize when the business has got some free time and to be able to book people in without them needing to answer the phone. Or another option would be to set up the opportunity reconnect system so that the system can recognize that when there's a missed call and respond back to the person within the first 15 seconds saying, hey, it's Anna from Salon 88, missed your call, how can I help you today? Starting a conversation, going back and forth, AI would be doing this. Once again, sending me the booking link, once again, letting you know if there's any free time, any availability, or telling you that a human's going to get back to me soon. Missed calls equals missed opportunity, missed revenue. And one customer is not just worth $80. One customer is not just worth $250. It's not a one-hit wonder. If we can get that customer to come back again and again by having the right reactivation systems installed, if we can get a Google review out of that customer by having the right systems that reach out to the customer post-service asking for a review, incentivizing them for a good review, we also get a Google review out of that customer. If we can get that customer who we missed their call to refer us to their family and friends, we've now increased customer lifetime value, average order value. We're getting more out of that one missed call that we just had right now. So missed calls are a big deal. Now, there was another startup beauty business that I really liked. She done old school glam hair and makeup. I really wanted to make a booking. I liked at least 20 of her photos. I commented underneath 1 or 2 of her posts on Instagram. I even sent her a message. There was never a response. In the end, I actually felt like maybe she just doesn't want to see me. She doesn't like me, right? She was very unresponsive. Now, can you imagine this business and any business like her had a system in place to be able to respond to leads in under 30 seconds, answering questions, going back and forth like a human, sending me booking links, answering questions about prices. She'd get so many more bookings, so many more conversions, so many more customers. Now imagine she also had a system in place that could recognize who made an inquiry, Did we respond to them? Yes or no? Did they convert into a paying customer? Yes or no? And the system was able to have those 5 to 10 touch points with the lead Now, what do I mean by those touch points? Well, in marketing, we know that we need at least 5 to 10 touch points with a cold lead to be able to convert them into a customer, because most conversions happen on the 5th touch point. That means not everybody is ready to convert into a customer today. So the question I have for you is, does your business currently have 5 to 10 touch points with all leads? Do you have a system to be able to detect who messaged your smart number, who messaged you on Instagram, Facebook, who made an inquiry or responded to one of your campaigns, and did they convert into a customer or not? And if they didn't, are you following up more than once? Or are you like most business owners out there that follow up once and then have nothing else in place? Can you imagine how much more profitable you'd be if you did have those 5 to 10 touch points in place? The right message at the right time, you get way more conversions. Now guys, today you saw me call a salon, there was no answer. You saw me send a message to a salon, there was no answer. By now, a lead like me, an interested person, would jump back on Google and go elsewhere. What is the solution? To have the right systems in place. Now, what would I recommend for the first business? Well, it's going to be the same thing I recommend for every business. I would recommend them to have a VoiceBot set up in their business that's trained to know everything about their business, to answer the phone so that no call ever goes unanswered. This voice agent can answer the phone, take details such as name, phone number, what's your inquiry. It can even book people in. It can SMS people the booking links. It can SMS people the directions of where their salon is located, helping them never miss a call again. The second system that I recommend is the AI LeadBot that can get programmed to know everything there is about their business and respond to all leads across smart numbers, across social media, across Google My Business Chat, even smart number campaigns, which I'll talk about later, in under 30 seconds. Imagine they had a system in place to be able to respond to all leads in under 30 seconds, getting them booked in. Now, what's the end outcome here? The end outcome is that as business owners, we want to know we've got the right systems in place to help us attract more traffic, convert that traffic into inquiries and bookings automatically without us having to be on standby, holding our phone, responding to inquiries back and forth all day. And we want to make sure that we've got the right systems in place to recognize who made an inquiry, did they convert into a customer, yes or no, and to make sure that we do have those 5 to 10 touch points in place. We also want to have the right systems in place to be able to retain customers. That means stay top of mind with previous customers to be able to get them to come back again and again, refer people, leave Google reviews on order, and much more. Guys, if you're interested to see which systems can genuinely help your business save time, become more profitable, attract, convert, and retain customers on autopilot, whether you're a beauty business or whether you're a trades business, as long as you're a service-based business, then the systems that we have will suit your business. So simply head on over to systemizeit.au, check out the packages page, check out the 19 powerful systems that we have. And once you're ready, schedule in for a discovery call and we'll show you which systems will suit your business the best. And I'll also show you where the leaks are in your business, where you're missing out on opportunities to actually get more bookings, to convert more leads, to reactivate previous customers, and much more. So schedule in, it's complimentary, you'll learn something. And if you do feel as though you found the system that you absolutely need, $97 a month, it's not too much. Schedule in, speak to you soon.